my dog. I'm gonna visit my dog at home. I just bought these dogs in the pet store and then we let it home. And so this video, we're going to make Chopper and Waffle to be happy. So guys, it's raining and then you can see it's this raindrops. As you can see, my dog, this color white one, the name is Chopper, and this color brown dog name Waffle. Chopper and Waffle. So my video is just gonna get a little bit of my basketball. So I'm bored at playing because I need my friends to go, because I'm not playing because it's raining, you see. So guys, alright, so guys, here's my house. See, I draw it once one day. Once I will not draw anymore. So guys, we have CCTV here. I mean, this is not our CCTV. That's from other CCTV things. Alright. And our house looks okay, and see. So my megaphone is already broken because it's always turning off. See? Because when I hold it, it will not make a sound. I don't know what happened to this. So it's turned off. So I don't know what happened to this megaphone, or the battery has lost. I don't know. Alright. Since our here is okay, and then we have to do is our house. Our house is expensive because I don't know what price is it, and so oh my gosh. So it's all for my house here. Alright, we have electric fans here, guys, and then we have a smallest electric fan, and now we have the smallest electric fan here. They're all both turned on because I don't know why does it have like this, and so I wanna see it. Okay, let's over. Oh my gosh, it's so ridiculous. Alright. Okay. No way! You're just gonna get my videos. Alright. Oh, since it's already okay here, my water bottle is here because I put stickers. Whoa, I don't know what's this. This is my book that I write. Okay. Oh, where's my? Okay. I just check it, and then I just check this too. Alright. So this is my name of my parents, so I'm not gonna let it to show you because that's our privacy. Alright. Did you see it, guys? Tell me in the comments. Or the comments is not available. Or the comments is available. I think the comments are available. I don't know. Maybe just think about it. Okay. Here's my bag, Lightning McQueen. Here's my Nokia. It's low battery, but it's not turning off because it's low battery. Yeah, because see this is our CCTV. So my mom is looking at me what I'm doing at the work. Will start. This is gonna be a nice looking. This is really nice. Correct. So, bro, this is the box of the CCTV things. I think it's this one though, or this one, or two of them. Look, you see, this CCTV 2 is Tapo. Alright, I don't know what things are there, and then see, the presage. So, alright. Here's our house. If you want to turn it up, just this left one, left. If you want to put it down, okay, this right one. And then it will start to go down. So guys, alright, this one is already broken. Cause it's always going up and down. Cause it's already broke. Cause this one survived. This one is survived cause it's still okay. This one didn't survive. It's broken. It cannot fix. It's unfixable. Cause you're not allowed to fix that. And so this is the door. Alright. Oh, they are biting this cause it's already rusty. But they're gonna bite it later or not. Alright. Oh, my dog is already bored. I will let him. Waffle, come here. Go inside. It's raining. Here's Chopper and Waffle. I already told you the name. So guys, this is my tree, and here, look, I will show you. My plants is over there. Not this one, my plants. It's like this plant. But the small one just didn't grow. This one, see? Pretty cool. Okay. Okay, let's look. This is for my dog. This is for Chopper and Waffle. Oh well. Alright. I'm being bored cause I want iPhone. Cause look, I'm gonna show you. Oh my gosh. Yo! So guys, you see my phone is broken. It's alarm, and then we turn off it. I'm gonna show you how to turn off this. Or I use this button when your alarm, but it's not gonna work. Cause guys, do not broke your phone. Cause cause you forgot to turn off the alarm with what you're doing. So do not do this. Do not broke your phone. Just do it. Cause if it will not work. But do not broke your phone. For real. Do not try this at home and do not break your phone. Okay guys? Don't make your phone crack. So our lights here. See there, this one are working, and this one too. And this one is already not working anymore. Cause you see when is this? See, it's, oh my gosh. See, it's always here. See, it will not go switch to right. So, yo, wait, what? The Spider-Man water bottle. Mommy, where's the Spider-Man water bottle? Ma? No. Okay, so guys, my spider watermelon is here. Wait, I'm gonna look it. Bro, I cannot find it. Alright. This is the end of this video. I hope you like and subscribe or comment if the comments are available or not. So guys, my Lola have TikTok. Just go to the TikTok and search Daisy Teston. Alright. So, like and subscribe to my Lola's channel. Cause my Lola has no time to record. Wait. If my Lola has time, she can record. If my Lola don't have time, she's not gonna record. Cause she's always busy. He's not talking to me because she always likes her phone that I'm recording you guys. Alright. There. Subscribe to my Lola's channel, and then kiss the YouTube, and then to other things. Okay. Alright. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you like this video. Bye! Bye guys. Subscribe to my Lola's channel and like. So guys, it's still raining. See? Alright, bye.